Software Spring. Presents. How to use query, with OR, and logic to extract data, in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps, to use the superb query function with OR, and logic to extract data. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button, and subscribe now. Thanks to all the existing, and new subscribers, for your support. Alright, for more info on query, please refer to its exclusive tutorial, whose link is given in the description. Moving forward, let's begin by a quick intro to query. Query extracts data from one or more columns, based on 0 or more conditions. Query allows to use OR and operators to construct advanced conditions. Let's take a look at the syntax of the query function formula. Let's go through each of the arguments with an example. Data is the data range. Query is the condition to extract data. Star means all the columns of data. This command tells query to extract all the columns of data if column C contains the text IT. Headers is optional, and specifies the number of header rows. The value of -1 for headers tells query to determine the number of headers by itself. Use OR logic to extract data. Objective: extract data from columns A, C, and D, if domain is banking or risk management. Let me type the query function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, Q, U, E, and select query. For data, select this range, and type comma. For query, type this command, between double quotes, and values between single quotes. Note the use of OR operator in this command. This command tells query to extract data from columns A, C, and D, if column E has the text, banking, or risk management. Type comma. For headers, type -1, and type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is press enter. Alright, query has extracted the data that has fulfilled either of the two conditions. Use AND logic to extract data. Objective: extract data from columns A, C, D, and E, if department is IT, and joining date is greater than or equal to 1st of January 2010. Let me type the query function formula. For data, select this range, and type comma. For query, type this command, between double quotes, and values between single quotes. Note the use of an operator in this command. The date should be in this format. The date should follow the keyword date. This command tells query to extract data from columns A, C, D, and E, if column B has a date greater than or equal to 1st of January 2010, and column C has the text IT. Type comma. For headers, type -1, and type the closing parenthesis. OK, the final formula is press enter. There you go. Query has extracted the data that has fulfilled the two conditions. Summary: query is a top-notch function to extract data. The query function formula is query allows to use R and operators to build complex queries. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.